Hello, my name is Kat Viasica. We're going to be making Almond Roca in the microwave. Quick little zoom in there. We're going to be using Tupperware products to make it. We're going to be using our Ultra Pro square pan, 2-quart capacity. We're going to use our Chop and Prep Chef. Beautiful little container. Got some almonds in there already chopped. We're going to use our handy dandy Wonder Mat. Wonderful. Great for going in the freezer. The oven goes in the oven up to 425 degrees. So when we're all done, this will be the finished product. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use, in the Ultra Pro, we're going to put 1 cup of butter, so 2 sticks, and 1 cup of sugar. We're going to put that in the microwave for 1 minute to start. Okay, so that was in for 1 minute, and I'm just stirring it up. So you can see it's just melting the butter and starting to get the sugar and the butter stirred together. This is going to be our caramel for our Almond Roca. And we're going to put it back in the microwave for 4 minutes, and that's going to really get it started cooking. You don't want to do more than 4 minutes because it can burn, so you want to definitely make sure that you're watching it and taking it out of the microwave right away. Okay, so while that's in the microwave, we're going to go ahead and do some more almonds. I put about 1/2 cup on our baking sheet already. So I've got another 1/2 cup. These are whole almonds, and I'm going to pour them in here. We're going to lock the top on, and then we're just going to pull this out like this, and you'll see it starts chopping. Just do nice quick motions, and you see how nice that's starting to chop up those almonds. We're going to do this until we have 1.5 cups of almonds. So I've got 1/2 cup there. So when I'm done with this, this was another 1/2 cup. So I'll do it one more time, and then we'll have all of our almonds on there. And then once our toffee is done, we'll be able to spread that on there. Okay, so this has come out of the microwave. We're going to lift the cover away from ourselves so the steam goes away. And you'll see you'll see it's all bubbly, but it's still kind of yellow. We want it to be a nice golden color, the color of toffee. So we're going to cook it at 1 minute increments until it's done. Okay, so I did 1 minute, and I stirred it and put it back in, and I did a 2nd minute. So I have a total of 6 minutes that I've done, and you can see now it's nice and golden. Not easy to see. So I'm going to stir this really well, and I need to work quickly because I need to get it poured onto the those out of there. And there's a lot of extra butter in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pour some of the excess butter off so it's not running all over the place, but I want to mix a lot of it together first. What's great about the Ultra Pro is the fact that the food doesn't stick, and if you do get some of the sugar that goes on the sides, you're going to be able to wash it off with no problems. This is my daughter's favorite pan for making brownies in. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour a little bit more of that butter off, and we're going to go ahead and pour. I like to pour it around the edges first. And then get it into the center. And the spatula that I'm using, it's called our silicone spatula. It's great for high temperatures. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see what I'm doing or not, but try to hold it up. Gonna spread this out. Here we can set it on here. There we go. Now you can see it a little bit better. We're gonna just spread it out. You see it's spreading nicely and getting in with all the walnuts, or walnuts, almonds. And kind of push those in because we want our almonds in our toffee. Of course, it's not Almond Roca without some chocolate. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 cups of milk chocolate chips, which is just 1 bag, and we're going to just pour them on the top like so. Those. Go ahead and the toffee, because it's so hot, it's going to melt, as you might be able to see already. It's starting to melt. Let's see if I can bring the camera just a teensy bit closer. And you can see that. It's slowly starting to melt, and as we kind of work it, the chocolate is melting. So we're going to keep doing that. Once that's all spread out, we're going to actually top the rest with the remaining almonds, the half, because we used 2 cups of almonds, 1.5 on the mat, and then the other half is going to be sprinkled on the top once this is done. And then we have Almond Roca. Thank you for watching.